ultrasonic radar and there is an ultrasonic distance radar. So we can use this both in military.
What is this? Sense?
Yes, sir. So this will rotate in 270 degrees.
Ah.
This can sense up to 40 centimeter distance, sir.
Like that, if you keep a big sensor,
Yes, sir.
We can go up to
100
120 kilometers. We can.
so if it is a military base, we can able to sense it through this sensor.
Yes, sir.
Now it is functioning.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
You can see the red lines, sir.
The red line is
means
there.
the object
Somebody is the object is there.
Object is there.
But without object, na?
It will be
Completely green. Good, very good.
Thank you.
Two projects.
Same sensor, sir. So this is actually really versatile, sir. The other solution, sir. We can use this in many applications.
Okay.
For example, they use it for safety. These guys use it for safety as well. Like that, we can use this for defense also.
Okay, good. Sure.
LED distance indicator. When an object is near, the light
Oh,
goes
yeah.
big.
Oh, okay, okay.
When an object is far, a little far, the object is the light goes dim.
Good. Good, good, good. Very neat. Okay, good. Is that a sensor? Right?
Yes, sir.
ಏನಪ್ಪ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಓಕೆ 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 ಏನಪ್ಪ